Numbers are everywhere, so let's master them in German. In this video, we'll go through numbers and counting so you can use them in everyday situations. Hello everyone and welcome to Sprechify, where we make learning German easy peasy. My name is Francesca and I'm a native German speaker with over 7 years of teaching experience. This video is part of a series from my complete German course for absolute beginners. If you want to go even further, you can find the full course on Udemy. The first 100 students will get a 60% discount on the full course. Check out the link in the description. And now, let's dive into today's topic. Hello and welcome back. Do you know those memes where people are saying 555 in German and you don't know how to say it? After this lesson, you will know it. Let's start with numbers and counting, Zahlen und Zählen. We'll start with 0 to 10. So 0 is 0, 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 3, 4 is 4, 5 is 5, 6 is 6, 7 is 7, 8 is 8, 9 is 9, and 10 is 10. We will continue with 11 to 20. 11 is 11, 12 is 12, and between 13 and 19, we will say the unit digit first, so in this case 3 or 3, and then at the end we will put the 10, like 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20 is 20. Between 20 and 99, we will put at the end sich. Exception is 30, where we are adding sich, not sich. I'll show you. 20, like I said before, is 20. 30 is the exception, 30. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And now let's see how we are counting beyond 20. How do we say 21 in German? First of all, we start with the unit digit. Yes, we start from back and then we are going to the front. So in this case, we have 1, 1. But we don't need the S anymore in 1. We say just ein. Then we need and then we will say the tens digit, which here is 20. So we say 21 in German, 21. How do we say 22? So we said we start with the unit digit, which is 2. Then we add and then we have 20. 22. 23 is 3 und 20. 23. 24 is 4 und 20. 24. 25 is 25. 25. 26 is 26. 26. And now let's make it a little bit faster. 27 is 27. 28 is 28. And 29 is 29. Now let's practice together. I ask you a number and you will say how to say it. And I will show you the answer then. How do you say 35? Let's take it slow. We start with the unit digit. 5. Then we add and, so and we continue with the tens digit. 30, 30. And we have 35. How do you say 48? 8 und 40. 48. And how do you say 77? Unit digit 7, then and tens digit 70. 77. And now the answer to 555. How do you say it? We will start with 500. Then we continue with the unit digit 5 and then comes the tens digit 50. 555. And now you know how to say it. That's it for now. See you in the next one.